Would you believe this luxury new build has a hidden pass-through from the laundry room into the master closet? That's just one of the standout design details inside this $700,000 home in Georgetown, and we're about to tour every inch of it. I'm Jeff, and today I'm giving you an exclusive inside look at the Carter 9 by Westin Homes. Located at 308 Barnstorm Lane in Parma Ranch, this home is fully staged, ready to move in, and loaded with design elements and architectural details that have made Westin stand out in the Austin area. Before we head in, here's why Westin Homes deserves your attention. For over 30 years, they've built a reputation for delivering luxury, personalized homes with signature features that buyers love, like rotunda ceilings, iron staircases, and elegant archways. Every buyer works one-on-one with a dedicated sales manager, and their in-house design team ensures that each home is a reflection of your personal style. Today, you'll see the attention to detail in action. The Carter 9 immediately makes a statement with Westin's signature architecture, brick and stone accents, striking roof lines, and a covered front porch that welcomes you home. The landscaping is already in place, setting the tone for a turnkey experience. Step inside and the two-story foyer stops you in your tracks. A dramatic rotunda ceiling, curved staircase, and sightlines into the living spaces give you an instant sense of elegance and openness. To the left and right, you've got formal living and dining rooms, perfect for hosting your guests or elevating your everyday dinners. The detailed ceiling treatments add custom touch throughout. At the center of the home is a spacious, light-filled family room with two-story bay windows. It's open to the kitchen and the breakfast area, making it ideal for both daily living and entertaining. The kitchen features quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and generous island with seating. The breakfast nook adds a cozy touch and brings in even more natural light. Tucked away on the main level, the primary suite is a true retreat. You'll find dual vanities, his and her closets, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. And yes, there's a private pass-through from the utility room into the closet. One of those thoughtful touches you didn't know you needed. Also on the first floor is a guest suite with its own full bathroom, perfect for visitors, multi-generational living, or use as a second home office. Quick question, if you had a full media room upstairs, would you turn it into a home theater or a gaming lounge? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Upstairs, you'll find a large game room and a full media room that's wired and ready for your setup. Whether it's movie night, game day, or kids' play zone, you've got space to make it your own. The home includes 4.5 bathrooms, each with high-end finishes. The laundry room offers a built-in storage, folding space, and that direct connection to the primary closet. The covered back patio gives you room to entertain, dine, or just relax in the shade. The yard is a blank canvas for anything from a garden to a play area. A 2-car garage rounds things out with plenty of storage and flexibility for your vehicles and gear. I love working with Westin Homes because they consistently deliver on craftsmanship, energy efficiency, and design. Their floor plans are thoughtfully laid out and their finishes speak for themselves. If you're curious about the Carter 9 or any other options in Parma Ranch, I can connect you directly with their sales team for a private showing or explore customization options. Thanks for taking the tour with me. If you could see yourself living here, let me know your favorite feature in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new construction tours and insider tips on Austin area real estate.